Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Ravrane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the very interesting and very famous, very applicable name reaction is a Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. In last two lectures of name reaction, we have studied the two name reaction. Number first is a benzoin condensation and number second is a Nobengel condensation reaction. In this lecture, we are going to study the details about the Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Okay, let's see what is exact Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Number first is the introductory part of Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction is called as crossed aldol condensation reaction. The crossed aldol condensation, then what is mean by aldol condensation reaction? The self condensation of two aldehyde molecule in the presence of strong base, it gives beta hydroxyaldehyde is called as aldol condensation reaction. In aldol condensation, there is a self condensation of two aldehyde molecule, but in case of Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction, there is a one aldehyde molecule or ketone molecule without alpha hydrogen atom and number second aldehyde or ketone molecule with at least two alpha hydrogen atom in a presence of strong base. So this reaction is called as crossed aldol condensation reaction. In simple, when ketone is used as one component, the crossed aldol reaction is called as Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. These reactions are carried out in a presence of strong base sodium hydroxide because under this condition ketone do not undergoes self condensation. In simple, this reaction is in presence of strong base, the sodium hydroxide. This reaction is applicable for synthesis of various biologically active molecules from simple starting material. It is a too much applicable reaction. By using this reaction, we can synthesize the various biologically active molecules. These are the introductory part of this Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Then what is exact Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction? The condensation of an aromatic aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom with aldehyde ketone or ester having at least two alpha hydrogen atom in a presence of strong base is NaOH to produce alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is called as Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Okay, there is a basic two components in Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Number first is aromatic aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom and number second is aldehyde ketone ester or any other molecule having at least two alpha hydrogen atom, and the condensation of these two molecules in a presence of strong base, it gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and this reaction is called as Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Means the final product of this Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction is alkene molecule. Then it is very important the stereochemistry of this alkene. The trans isomer is a predominantly major product in this reaction. Means it gives two product, one is a cis isomer and second is a trans isomer, but trans is a predominantly major product in this reaction. These are the simple stereochemistry of this Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. See the general reaction. Number first is are the aromatic aldehyde, and the number second is either aldehyde ketone or ester molecule with two alpha hydrogen atom, and this aromatic aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom in reaction in presence of strong base NaOH, the condensation of this CH2 and CO, it gives simple unsaturation, means alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and this reaction is called as Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. See the first example, aromatic aldehyde benzaldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom and acetaldehyde with a 3 alpha hydrogen atom. And the condensation between these two, see it gives cinnamaldehyde, means alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde molecule. These are the product of this reaction, means condensation of benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde in presence of NaOH, strong base NaOH, it gives finally cinnamaldehyde. These are the first example of Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Then what is exact mechanism of Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction? There is a basically 3-step mechanism. Number first step is a common step, abstraction of proton by base to form enolate ion. The role of base. See, the role of base is a simple abstraction of proton. Acetaldehyde molecule with a 3 alpha hydrogen atom. These 3 hydrogens are active hydrogens. These 3 hydrogens are acidic hydrogens because this methyl group is directly bonded to electron withdrawing carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon withdraw electron from this methyl carbon. At the same time, this methyl carbon withdraw electron from this hydrogen, means these 3 protons, these 3 hydrogens, it becomes acidic in a presence of base. Number first step is a proton abstraction, then shifting of sigma electron pair towards the carbon, it gives carbanion. The delocalization of this negative charge in pi bond formation. At the same time, this pi electron between this carbon and oxygen is shifted towards the more electronegative oxygen, and oxygen it gains negative charge. This ion is called as enolate ion, means there is a strong resonance between these two. Same negative charge participate in delocalization, it gives carbanion, carbanion it gives enolate ion. These are the number first step is abstraction of proton by base, it gives enolate ion. Number second step is attack of carbanion to carbonyl carbon, means there is an intermediate carbanion. This carbanion is attacked to this aldehyde molecule, means carbonyl group of this aldehyde molecule. See the polarization of this C double bond O. Oxygen is more electronegative, it gains partial negative charge. Carbon it gains partial positive charge, means it shows partially electrophilic character. This enolate ion means negative charge participate in delocalization, then this double bond is attacked to this carbonyl carbon. At the same time, the shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen, then oxygen it gains negative charge, and there is a bond formation between this carbonyl carbon and this carbon. Okay, so there is a single bond formation, means it gives oxyanion. And next step, third step is a protonation to form aldol, which undergoes dehydration, means the protonation of this oxyanion, means simple protonation is O minus attacked to this H plus, O minus is converted into OH even in presence of this strong base. Again abstraction of second proton from this methylene group, then the sigma electron pair is shifted toward in the pi bond formation, then elimination of this OH group in the form of OH minus, it gives finally alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde molecule. These are the details about the mechanism of Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. It's a simple 3-step mechanism. Then next one is applications of this Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. First application is a preparation of alpha beta unsaturated ketones, which are used as perfumery chemicals. These are used as precursor for the chemicals. Means simple, a condensation of these two molecules it gives chalcone, and chalcone is a precursor for so many molecules like pharmaceutical molecules, perfumery molecules, or any other types of molecules. See the simple benzaldehyde in presence of acetophenone molecule, the condensation in presence of NaOH acetophenone molecule. Here there is a CH3, the condensation between these two it gives finally chalcone molecule, means alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Okay. Second, the reaction is useful to detect the presence of reactive methylene group in organic compound. Okay. Suppose there is a camphor molecule, and in such type of molecules, in this type of molecule, the identification of active methylene compound is very important. And by using this Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction, means this reaction is useful to detect the presence of reactive methylene group. The simple camphor in presence of benzaldehyde and strong base NaOH, there is also condensation reaction, it gives benzylidene derivative, means in camphor molecule there is a one active methylene group, means this reaction is useful to detect the finally reactive methylene group in the organic compounds. These are the basic two applications of Claisen-Schmidt condensation reaction. Thank you very much.